said that literacy is the foundation of all education, and Community Health System is making sure that the narrative for kids in the Central Valley is an evolving story for generations to come. Recently, Community Health System partnered with the foundation of Clovis Schools, providing a series of grants to make mental wellness resources available at various school sites in Clovis Unified School District.
Partnership is so important in education, but it's important in community and building strong communities, and the value that Community Hospital sees in that and the responsiveness that they have had to the needs in our local community.
Grants like the Literacy and Promoting Positive Behaviors grant help schools like Tarpey Elementary provide materials encouraging students to read, which can have a positive impact on their mental health.
A lot of times I don't think people see the connectivity to overall mental wellness, to things as simple as great literacy and learning to read. And yet all of those things are tied together when we're able to do something like what's happening at Tarpey Elementary.
Our students don't have access to books at home. If they do, it's limited, or they don't really have access transportation to go to a county library.
Dr. Tachuavu is principal at Tarpey Elementary, a Title I school where students don't always have equitable advantages that students in other areas have access to.
So being able to hand them books where they can have to take home is huge, because what we want to work on with our students is that literacy piece.
Reading develops just a love for learning. There's a thirst for knowledge, and when a child has a book in their hands, they get to go on an adventure.
Shauna Harris is a first grade teacher at Tarpey and says teachers started noticing a gap in the classroom after returning from the pandemic.
Kids did not have access to books regularly like they would have if they would have been in the classroom learning with us. And when we were online, we were able to teach literacy, but the kids didn't get to hold anything in their hands. They didn't get to see it. They didn't get to experience it in the way that we would like them to.
Staff at Tarpey Elementary came up with an idea to implement a book vending machine to promote positive behavior, good character, and literacy. And thanks to a grant from Community Health System, this idea came to life.
We want them to be active learners, critically thinking, and when they have a book in their hands and they engage with characters.
Each teacher gets one golden coin a week, and they watch out for students exemplifying outstanding character, granting an opportunity to award innovation with a chance to pick a book from the vending machine.
When I show the kids the golden coin, the token that they get to use, and I remind them that somebody gets to go to the book vending machine this week on Friday at the end of the week, they're so excited to earn that, and they're curious about who's it going to be.
We also give them a certificate of acknowledgement for their positive behavior, and it stays in the library. It shows others that they've earned it, that they've shown the positive behavior.
And putting books in the hands of children in the Central Valley means new chapters for generations to come.